Stress,
anxiety,
depression,
loss,
codependency,
addiction,
alcoholism,
life. Do any of these words speak to you?
If so, please know that we are here for you.
We know that this industry can be stressful, so we started something new this year.
a safe place, a place to bring your problems, and a group that helps you take on life's challenges. The Realtor Affiliate Wellness Group, known as the RAW Group, is a support group open to all Bay East members.
We know that life can be hard at times, and we've created a judgment-free space to get whatever it is you need off your chest.
You're not alone.
Join us at one of our monthly meetings at our Pleasanton Member Center.
If you have any questions or want to get involved, please visit bayeast.org for more information. Thank you.